1672nd एपिसोड ऑफ नागपुर मोस्ट हैपनिंग फेसबुक लाइव शो जिसका नाम है राज की बात स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर के साथ रियली वांट टू थैंक पारिक ब्रदर जूलर्स प्रेजेंटिंग राज की बात स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर इन एसोसिएशन विद द लोकमान्य तिलक जन कल्याण शिक्षण संस्था कांट फॉरगेट टू थैंक प्रियदर्शनी कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग नाउ एन ऑटोनोमस college. Also a big thank you to Priyadarshini JL College of Engineering. My gear partner is Arun Automobiles. The Maruti cars are available there at Arun Automobiles Khamla Square and साथ ही साथ monsoon offers भी available, तो आप अपनी मारुति कार वहाँ से खरीदेंगे। जो बहुत जल्दी मारुति कार अपनी खरीद लेंगे उनको शायद गिफ्ट आएगी, कोई बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी आएंगी और उन्हें गिफ्ट देंगे क्योंकि वो हैं इतने मास्टर। प्लीज वेलकम माय गेस्ट टुडे, माय स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर आदर्श सोनकुसरे। हाय आदर्श,
हेलो सर,
हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड सर।
तो पहले तो ये कि आज नहीं तो कल आपके लिए कार आने वाली है। आदर्श, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ।
यस सर, सो आई एम आदर्श सोनकुसरे। आई एम एन फाइनल ईयर student at AIDS, Priyadarshini College of Engineering. And the primary reason that I am here and I got this chance to be with Raj sir is because of I've built an algorithm in order to differentiate, in order to understand deaf and dumb language, which is basically mute and dumb people don't speak. So I've built an algorithm with 99% accuracy so that we can understand their language. And because my branch is artificial intelligence and data science branch, so it was part of my curriculum also. But that because the reason is I've achieved 99% accuracy, that's why I'm being a bit more promoted and happy. And also similarly, I've recently built a project, final year project, which is in the patenting process. So what was that is a Morse code detector. So basically a spy, like Indian spy, when we send them to Pakistan, or Pakistan spy that comes in India. So in order to communicate with their own country, they use Morse code, which is a dot and dashes language. So as a normal person, you and I, we can't understand it. So I built an algorithm and also implemented that algorithm into hardware. So and that algorithm was also 100% accurate with no latency. So that's why I've got chance to be with Rasa today.
But then how has been your journey when it comes to Priyadarshini College of Engineering?
Sir, till now it's going amazing. Right now I'm currently in final year, and the teachers are very good, very polite, and also they are really big, you can say, database of knowledge in their own mind. Anytime I had any problem, I just went to them randomly. They said this is solution, and if this doesn't work, try the another way. Or this is a senior who is much more knowledgeable, उनका number मिल जाता है, I just go there and they help me. So it's a very amazing environment here, and everyone, teachers, faculty is very, very supportive.
When it comes to artificial intelligence and data science, this complete department is a very new and fresh department, and a branch where now there are a lot of hopes because the future is all about AI. How do you see that?
So, I also believe that AI is the future right now. That because we are looking at new trends right now, ChatGPT for Google's. Also Bard is there. So obviously data science is the future. As we've seen in 2008 that Three Idiots movie, पेन की टिप से लेके पैन की जिप तक सब मशीन है सर. Now this is the decade of AI. So पेन की टिप से लेके पैन की जिप तक सब AI है सर.
अच्छा, ये जो AI का कॉन्सेप्ट है वो सब धुआं है, मतलब इट्स एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द क्लाउड, है ना? AI का एक मिथ ये भी है कि बहुत जल्द सिर्फ मशीनें काम करेंगी, सिर्फ AI काम करेगा, इंसान काम नहीं करेगा, इंसान के जॉब्स चले जाएंगे। आपके जैसे इंजीनियर्स AI के अंदर में भी कुछ नए ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस, अपग्रेडेशंस लाएंगे जिससे चीज़ें और यूनिक, हाँ, मतलब अलग लेवल पर चले जाएंगे। And then man will be with no jobs left. What's your thought on that?
Sir, I believe every time when we can say not a single person, every time when jobs are affected, there is not a single person. Like for example, we've automated door opening, let's say. So for example, whenever we go to any hotel, nowadays there are automatic doors. We just go in, door opens automatically and closes automatically, right? But earlier in 90s or 80s, there were people.
Darbans.
Darbans.
Used
Right?
to open.
Yes,
Yeah.
Darbans. But when they lost their job, there was a certain number of engineers, those who compensated with that. Every time when a particular field loses their job, जो कहते हैं ना एक दरवाजा बंद होता है 10 खुलते हैं. So that is there.
So somebody's loss is somebody's
gain. And this is the part of the like work. किसी का नुकसान होता है तभी किसी का
लाइफ की हकीकत है ये.
Yes, every time. And if you are educated enough, because परिवर्तन ही समय का, we can say that
परिवर्तन
समय का नियम है.
नहीं, दुनिया का नियम,
दुनिया का नियम,
संसार का नियम,
संसार का नियम.
हाँ.
So that's what, if you can't cope up with the world, obviously you're gonna get left out. So you have to change yourself, educate yourself around AI in order to maintain your job. I would say that.
तो आदर्श सोनकुसरे के आदर्श कौन है?
सर शाहरुख खान सर.
Okay, why?
Sir, because I believe not just because of his acting talent or anything, but generally I've seen him or any other actor, they talk bad about like any other. No one is talking bad about Shah Rukh Khan. In fact, every single woman that worked with Shah Rukh Khan said he treated me like a proper dignity, proper respect, and that is what I love about Shah Rukh Khan. Other than his acting talent, actors तो बहुत है, पर बादशाह एक ही है सर. वो पहले से आज तक वही है और आगे भी वही रहेगा. He once said, "I am the last of the star."
Right.
And I truly believe that he is the last of the stars. And that's why I follow Shah Rukh Khan. And he's that one dialogue कि कौन कहता है चमत्कार नहीं होते, मुझे देखो जरा करीब से देखो और तुम्हें चमत्कार दिखाई देगा.
तो आप आने वाले वक्त में क्या चमत्कार करना चाहते हैं आदर्श? What you want to do?
Sir, I personally want to commercialize this the algorithm that I built for a deaf and dumb person, because I think it's really helpful. Because if you go out of India or out of Asia, there are devices like pre-routed iPhones which costs around $2,500, like lakhs, but a deaf and dumb person generally can't afford it. So by using this algorithm, we can just create an application that anyone having an Android or iOS download it and can understand the other person. They don't have to carry a notepad or write everywhere. Just point a camera like we do with Google Lens or anything. They can just point a camera and just understand what the other person is trying to say. I want to commercialize this and get a unicorn, build a startup on it. And also, if not startup, I also want to work in the machine learning industry further. And really, my dream is to dominate machine learning industry.
Do you have a political view?
About what?
About politics.
About politics. About politics, I would say everyone is trying their best. What I can say, Maharashtra's politics specifically is an hide and seek kind of thing. कौन कहाँ बदल रहा है, we can't say anything.
या कब कौन कहाँ बदल जाए कुछ नहीं कह सकते.
Yes sir.
What's your family's opinion about the kind of way you are growing here at Priyadarshini College of Engineering?
Sir, my family from the start of my education after 10th class, they've never asked me what your future, what you want to do. Either you want to do CA or UPSC or this. They said, "तू बेटा जा, मुझे पता है तुझे टैलेंट हो ना हो, तू मेहनत करना जानता है, तू कर लेगा." And that's what they are believing, and that's what they are getting result. Recently, sir, my family exactly yesterday, I was talking with my father. Like लड़के जनरली फादर से बात इतना ओपन अप नहीं होते, बट आफ्टर लाइक 10 or 15 years I opened up yesterday because my mother was a bit I would say sick. So my father told me क्या चल रहा है बेटा कॉलेज. पहली बार उन्होंने पूछा. I told him that I've got a paper published in a national level where teachers who are doing PhD come to submit because while doing PhD they have to publish a national level paper, right? So I've been a competition with them and I've got first. I've beat them and I've got first prize for my sign language detection. So I've also got it published nationally, the paper. So my father was really happy for me. 10th standard के बाद I believe आज वो इतना खुश हुए मुझे देख मेरी अचीवमेंट जान के, because he never asked, he just asked, पास हो गया ठीक है, जॉब मिल जाएगी ठीक है, that's it. But now he truly thinks कि he will do something big in life.
What's the dream?
Dream, sir, dream is to dominate wherever I go. As I said, Shah Rukh Khan is my idol. कोई भी शहजादा आ जाए, कोई भाईजान आ जाए, बट बादशाह एक ही होता है. everyone knows Badshah bola Shahrukh Khan. Similarly, I want to be Badshah of any field, whether it's data science or machine, wherever I'm going in future, I want to dominate. I want to be Badshah of that field. That is my dream.
I don't know about the dominance, but I know about you being the king. You will rule, and you will rule in a manner that where people will look forward to follow people like you. आपका जो नाम आदर्श रखा गया है वो ऐसे ही नहीं रखा गया है, आप आदर्श स्वरूप बनेंगे, ये विश्वास है. And I'm sure at Priyadarshini College of Engineering, everybody will be proud of you. Just keep going, just be humble like Shah Rukh Khan, and just keep working hard, because जब किसी चीज़ को आप दिल से चाहो
पूरी कायनात आपको उससे मिलेंगी,
लग जाती है, तो आपको वो चीज़ें मिलेंगी, ये विश्वास है. बस आप मेहनत करते रहिए. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग माय गेस्ट. Thank you for coming on Student of the Year.
Thank you for having me.
Super. Adarsh Sonkusre, my guest, one of those guests I always remember. कि भाई शाहरुख खान का और and the day I interview शाहरुख खान, I will ensure कि मैं आपका नंबर पता करूँ, आपको कॉल करूँ और आपकी बात शाहरुख खान से जरूर कराऊँ. That's a commitment I'm giving you on my show. Thank you so much, Adarsh. And I promise that. 1672nd episode. It has got me into a journey where I'm meeting people every day, but with this kind of hunger, this kind of thought process of dominating, where Adarsh has used this word domination a few times in this interview, and I want to rule, I want to dominate whichever industry I work with. And that's the that's the perspective, that's the that's the zeal inside a youngster, and that is a great sign of hope, that if this kind of mentality is with people, with youngsters, the coming days of our country will be amazing. And I think this is this one piece of expression, one piece of emotion जिससे पूरी दुनिया डरती है, और पूरी दुनिया को लगता है कि भारत का युवा जब जागेगा पूरी दुनिया को शांत कर देगा. वो कहते हैं ना कि अभी सन्नाटा है आगे शोर आएगा, अभी सन्नाटा है आगे शोर आएगा, दुनिया का वक्त आया था, आदर्श सोनकुसरे का दौर आएगा. जिंदा रहें. जय हिंद.